In the quiet, infinite stretches of the cosmos, where stars twinkle like ancient sentinels and galaxies drift silently across the dark fabric of space, the universe seems vast, serene, and unchanging. Yet, lurking within the heart of this cosmic ocean are phenomena so powerful, so fleeting, that they can momentarily reshape our entire understanding of existence. One such phenomenon is the gamma-ray burst. These events are not merely flashes of light. They are cataclysmic detonations of unimaginable energy, the likes of which we can hardly fathom. In a fraction of a second, a gamma-ray burst releases more energy than our sun will radiate in its entire 10 billion-year lifespan. These intense bursts of gamma radiation are so bright, they can be seen across vast cosmic distances, some of them occurring billions of light years away, in galaxies long since vanished. Yet, just as quickly as they appear, they vanish, leaving nothing but a lingering afterglow that fades into the void. But the most profound question of all remains: could we ever predict when these cosmic beacons will flare to life? Could we foresee these cataclysmic explosions, or are we forever doomed to witness their beauty and terror in real time, helpless in our inability to anticipate them? To understand the rarity and significance of gamma-ray bursts, we must first explore their origins. These cosmic explosions are divided into two distinct categories, based on their duration and the processes that trigger them. These bursts last longer than 2 seconds, sometimes even minutes, and are typically linked to the deaths of massive stars, those at least 30 times the mass of our Sun. When these stars reach the end of their lives, their cores collapse under gravity, forming black holes. This collapse can generate a hypernova, a supernova of unimaginable scale that releases an intense burst of gamma rays. However, not every star's death leads to a GRB. The stars that create these bursts are exceptionally massive, and their explosions must align just so, sending their energy in a beam directly toward Earth to be detectable. Lasting less than 2 seconds, these bursts occur when two dense neutron stars, remnants of stars that have exhausted their nuclear fuel, spiral inward and collide. As they merge, they create a powerful explosion, often accompanied by the formation of a black hole and the creation of heavy elements like gold and platinum. These brief but extraordinarily powerful bursts are tied not only to violent cosmic events, but also to the formation of some of the universe's most precious materials. In both cases, whether the slow collapse of a massive star or the violent merger of neutron stars, gamma-ray bursts offer us a glimpse into the extreme physics of the universe, processes that defy human imagination. And yet, these immense explosions, despite their power, seem to occur without warning, leaving scientists to wonder if we'll ever catch a glimpse of them before they happen. Predicting when a gamma-ray burst will happen is one of the most perplexing challenges astronomers face. It's like trying to predict a lightning strike, except on an entirely cosmic scale, where the stakes are not just a single flash of light, but an event that can alter the course of galaxies. So, why is it so difficult to predict? There are several critical hurdles that make forecasting these cataclysmic events nearly impossible. Unlike other cosmic events, like supernovae, which often show signs of instability in the months or even years leading up to their explosion, gamma-ray bursts offer no clear precursor activity. The massive stars that give rise to long-duration bursts may exhibit subtle changes, but these can easily be masked by the overall dynamics of the star. For short-duration bursts, the neutron stars involved may spiral closer together, but without detectable warning signs until the moment of merger. The sheer unpredictability of when exactly these events will happen, combined with their rarity, means that we are often left with little more than the aftermath to study. Another key difficulty in predicting gamma-ray bursts is their highly directional nature. GRBs are not isotropic, meaning they don't emit their energy in all directions. Instead, they release their energy in narrow beams, akin to powerful lasers. If the beam is not aimed directly at Earth, we won't even notice the burst. This means that for every GRB we detect, there are likely countless others happening in far-flung corners of the universe, with their beams pointed away from us. Most GRBs occur billions of light years away from Earth. This means that by the time their gamma rays reach us, the events themselves have long since passed. We are essentially peering back in time, catching only the faintest echo of these powerful explosions. The vast distances between us and these events also mean that we can't easily study the areas around them for warning signs, leaving us in the dark about the events that may precede a burst. Despite these challenges, we are starting to make progress, and the ability to predict when a GRB might occur is slowly coming into focus. But the path to understanding these events remains winding, full of scientific obstacles that demand persistence, creativity, and patience. While predicting GRBs remains an elusive goal, advances in technology are providing new tools to study these cosmic phenomena and potentially predict when they will strike. In recent years, the field of multi-messenger astronomy has emerged, allowing us to study the universe through more than just light. By combining gravitational wave observations, the ripples in space-time caused by massive cosmic events, with traditional electromagnetic observations, scientists have gained deeper insights into the origins of GRBs. The historic 2017 detection of both a gravitational wave and a gamma-ray burst from the same neutron star merger was a groundbreaking moment, showing that the universe's most violent events send us more than one kind of signal. Through this combined approach, we may one day have a clearer picture of the precursor activity surrounding a gamma-ray burst, giving us the ability to predict them with much greater accuracy. Advanced telescopes and space observatories. Instruments like NASA's Fermi Gamma-Ray Space Telescope and SWIFT are specifically designed to detect gamma-ray bursts as they occur. These space-based observatories are vital for studying GRBs, as they can observe the entire sky in real time. Their ability to detect and track bursts, even if they occur on the other side of the universe, is a powerful step toward understanding these phenomena. With new developments, including faster detection and better follow-up capabilities, we could one day build predictive models that give us a glimpse into the future. Artificial intelligence and data science. The rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques has also opened new doors in the search for GRB prediction. By analyzing vast data sets from past GRBs, algorithms can search for hidden patterns, identifying subtle trends that might have gone unnoticed. These tools allow us to look for precursor events, subtle fluctuations in star behavior, and other factors that might indicate a gamma-ray burst is on the horizon. While gamma-ray bursts are often seen as harbingers of destruction, they also play a critical role in the cosmic cycle of life and death. These explosive events are not only the final act of dying stars, but also serve as catalysts for the birth of new stars and galaxies. The energy released by long-duration GRBs helps seed the interstellar medium, providing the raw materials for future generations of stars. The elements forged in the heart of exploding neutron stars, gold, platinum, and heavier elements, are scattered across space, enriching the cosmic ecosystem. It's in this way that GRBs participate in the cosmic circle of life, death, destruction, and rebirth. While most gamma-ray bursts occur far beyond our solar system, the possibility remains, however remote, that one day, a burst could be directed at Earth. Such an event could cause widespread atmospheric damage, depleting our planet's protective ozone layer and allowing harmful ultraviolet radiation to reach the surface. But this, too, is part of the larger story of life in the universe. We are mere spectators to an ancient cosmic dance, witnessing the extraordinary forces that shape the stars, the galaxies, and the very fabric of space-time itself. The fear of a GRB may remain a distant possibility, but it also reminds us of the delicate nature of life on Earth and of how much more we have to learn about the universe that surrounds us. The road ahead is full of unknowns, but each new discovery brings us closer to predicting the next gamma-ray burst. Every breakthrough in technology, every new astronomical observation, and every step forward in our understanding of the universe brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of these incredible cosmic events. We stand at the threshold of a new era in astrophysics, one where we might one day peer into the very heart of these incredible bursts before they occur. And who knows, perhaps, in time, we will have learned enough to predict not just when they'll strike, but how to understand their full impact on the cosmos and, in turn, on us. Until then, we continue to look toward the stars, where mysteries, both known and unknown, wait to be discovered. The universe, after all, is full of surprises, and we are only beginning to uncover its secrets. The gamma ray burst is but one note in the grand symphony of the universe. It is both a destroyer and a creator, a flash of light born from the death of stars, a harbinger of change in the very fabric of space and time. But as we peer into the heavens and continue to search for answers, we realize that every discovery, every mystery uncovered, is a part of something far greater than we can comprehend.